Now for the red, what do you call this? Red wiener sausage. Yeah, the red. Red for the. Yep. Just salt it. Then after that, the vegetables. Do the vegetables, okay. Wait a second. And then the vegetable. Yun lang siya, yung mga sa convenience store na vegetables lang siya. Yan, cut vegetables na yan. Madaling nito. Just simple sopas lang po yung pinagpilhan ng ramen. Para magkaroon naman twist, hindi naman puro ganun. Diba? Salt it first. Okay. After that, for the sauteing, just put water. Tapos yung ramen na, meron siya kasing added flavor. So let's just put water. Yep, put water. Yan. Yan, maraming water kasi yung ramen mataba na. Ayan. Ayan, okay. Pagkatapos na ng water, let's just put the ramen here. Ayan, kahapon. Yesterday, yan. Meron na siyang kasamang what do you call this? Dashi. Diba? Yan na siyang lasa. Tutuloy na natin ngayon. Yan. Yan. Tingnan natin. Para lumobo yung ramen. Lulobo siya lalo. Gusto ko yung lobo lang. And then let's put some consomme. Ajinomoto consomme soup. Para lang maano. Okay, let's wait. Pag-strike tumupulo na siya, let's just put the consomme. Ajinomoto consomme, okay? Here. Ayan. Consomme, oh? Ayan. Pa yung kamay ng consomme. Ayan. Ajinomoto consomme soup. Para mo kayo added spice or added, yan. Diba? Maano na yung ramen, no? Kailangan lumobo pa siya para maging sopas pa more. Ewan ko kung lulobo pa to. Basta bahala na. Basta a lot of vegetables. Okay. Then put some, salt, pepper. Kumulo, just add what's your favorite, taste. Ako kasi hindi masyado maalat, no? Ayan. Sopas lang siya. After ng ramen na hindi na ubos kagabi. Ayan naman yung sopas today. Let's just put milk later, okay? Okay, let's just wait just to boil and then voila, ready to eat. Okay. Okay, it's finished. Ayan na. Ang sopas, tapos na po. Okay. Go, go, go. Yan lang. Tikman lang natin, ha? Not all. So right now you are in what kind of a relationship?
Hindi naman po, friends lang. Getting to know each other kasi siyempre, this is the first time we ever met po eh. Nice, but it's really nice. Yes po. So, yun, malay natin makapag-call po kami sa...
Okay, buon appetit.